What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a glasses try on haul for y'all. These glasses are sent over by Fytoo glasses. I have about 4 or 5 pair that I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be like a little lookbook style. I'm going to talk about them and then I'll pop in and out of the screen with me trying them on. You know the drill. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. If you're interested in that type of content, head on over to my channel, click that subscribe, like all those buttons. It helps me so much. But I'm not going to ramble on too long. Let's just get right into this video.
Yo, Mr. B-O-double-R. I say, yeah buddy, yeah buddy, yeah buddy. Rolling like a big shot, Chevy tuned up like a...
Okay, y'all, so the first pair of sunglasses that I have to show you are these beautiful babies. I will have the name on the screen. I don't remember what they're called right now, but I'll have that on the screen. But this is just what they look like. They are literally so cute. I actually do wear glasses now, so I don't have my prescription put in these, but they are just adorable. Here is like a little close-up of them. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but yeah, y'all, this is what they look like. They are so cute. I'm gonna try them on real quick. They are just these like black, they're very extra as you can see, but they're black, and then they have like a whole bunch of diamonds on the side and everything. But yeah, they're super cute, super fun and creative. I absolutely love these. It's just, it goes well with like a casual look, and you pop these on. It's giving that girl.
Fresh paint job, fresh inside. With the outside frame in the trunk wide. For the wheels big, do it ride good. Lean back, right hand on the power.
Alright, y'all, moving on. I have these emerald bluish greenish glasses, and this is what they look like on. They have great like gold detailing on the side. They are so cute. I love like oversized glasses, as you can tell. These are just adorable. Definitely go check them out. I have a 15% off discount code as well. They'll be linked down in the description for you guys, but I just think these are so adorable. Absolutely love them. Yeah, super cute. Alright, y'all, so the next pair of glasses that I have to show you guys are actually a pair of sunglasses, and this is what they look like. If you guys know anything about Diera, you know that she released her Lorave brand of sunglasses, and these just remind me of one of her sunglasses that she just recently launched. They are so cute. Absolutely love them. I love the shape and everything. I love to sit my glasses on like the bridge of my nose as well. I just think it looks cute, and I don't want it to cover my eyebrows. But yeah, they also have like this rhinestone detailing at the top, which I think is so cute because it's very subtle, but it shows that you got a little pizzazz, you know. So absolutely love these as well, and I love that I mixed it up a little bit and got some regular glasses but also some sunglasses to throw on as well.
Ice paint job. Got screens on the dash, what to say by the bill. Got a space.
Alright, y'all, and last but not least, I got these gorgeous ombre orange glasses. This is what they look like on and everything. I think they are so adorable. These are much more like toned down, everyday type of wear of glasses. These are just so cute. I feel like the shape fits a lot of people's facial structures as well, so this can be worn across the board for everybody. I love this. I just think these are so cute, and all their quality is really great quality. They all come packaged up really nice in these dust bags. I didn't show you that, but this is how they come packaged. They have like I don't know what material this is, but it's the material that you can actually wipe your lenses off on, which I really like. You can just see the quality of the bag and the weighted tassels at the end. They also send you some screws so if your glasses do get a little bit loose, you can always screw them up yourself, which I think that is so considerate and so convenient. So I definitely appreciate that. They all did also come wrapped in plastic, or saran wrap, so that your glasses do not get scratched or anything on their destination to you. Thank you so much, Fytoo, for sponsoring this video. Absolutely love these glasses. If you're in the need for some, definitely check them out. They have Blu-ray glasses, so if you don't actually have a prescription or you don't need glasses for like actually seeing, if you're on the computer a lot or if you're on your phone a lot, definitely invest in you some blue ray like glasses because it will help with headaches, and it will just help your eyes and longevity, because staring at a screen all the time is definitely not good for your eyes. So having the Blu-ray lenses will definitely help, and all of the frames that I showed you have the Blu-ray lenses in them, so I definitely recommend that, especially if you're someone who's on their phone or on their computer a lot. Definitely comment down below which one was your favorite, and if you're gonna pick some up to twin with your girl, you're definitely gonna be seeing some of these on my Instagram because they are just too cute. So yeah, thank you guys, you lovelies, in the next video. Bye.